How to unclog a sink. You're gonna need a snake and gloves.
Remove the stopper cap. Sometimes the stopper cap will be the problem, like it'll be too close to the opening of the sink here, where the water goes down, and that's the only thing that's stopping the water. Because I don't know if you can tell, but the water is draining a little faster now that we removed that. If that's the case, then make sure this lever is depressed all the way, and if it is and there's still not very much space between the cap and the opening, that's a different fix. That's down in here. You'll have to adjust this piece that is connected to the lever up top. Just move it to the next hole. Yeah, move it to the next hole. Take the snake and push it down there as much as you can. Pull it on it. I have to do this a few times. You have to clean the snake off regularly. You want to wipe up as much of this crap as you can from the sink so it doesn't go back down. It's fine if it goes down the toilet. It's a bigger cross section for all the water to flow through. Now let's put the cap back. Don't forget to like and subscribe.